that your iPhone can continuously listen for certain sounds and send you a notification when it hears them? It's called sound recognition. To know how to activate this iOS feature, please keep on watching. To activate the sound recognition feature on your devices, you'll need to be using iOS 14 or later. You can check which version of the operating system that you have by going to Settings, General, About, and this will display the version number installed in your device. If you follow along these steps and don't see sound recognition as a feature, then you will need to update the operating system to take advantage of it. So to use sound recognition, go to Settings, scroll through and click on Accessibility Features. There you will see the sound recognition. Use the slider to turn it on. Then tap on Sounds to choose which sounds you want your iPhone to listen for. Now when your device hears such a sound, it will send you a notification alert. And that's how you activate the sound recognition feature on your iOS device. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.